this format of art fairs gives you the best connection with your audience, and you give, super true reaction to your art. I'm really very grateful for both the gallery, the William who's running the gallery for the city, making this happen. I guess this event should be here on a monthly basis at least.
I love this space. I love working with William. He's a great partner to the community, and he's a great addition also to our main street. This gallery and William, the work that he does, he brings people from different places, from different communities, from different cities, and helps showcase what Oakland Park means and what Oakland Park is.
Hen is an artist that I had met in Vietnam, and he's been able to create his artwork and really be able to bring beauty of color, light, movement here in the United States. It's been an honor and a pleasure to work with William and have this display here for Hen.
Hello everybody, my name is William Bramer and I'm the director of Art Fusion Galleries, and tonight I've met somebody very, very lovely, and her name is Robin Talbert, and she is very well versed in the arts, and her mother had galleries in Miami, and they were very affiliated with Romero Brito, I believe, correct? Is that what you said?
First of all, the gallery is fabulous. The gallery is, it's eclectic, it's different. All of the art is very pleasing to the eye, and the way that it laid out, the gallery, and the way that the paintings are hung and the sculpture is placed is flawless. Hanging paintings since I was 12 years old, so when I say that I really appreciate this space, I really appreciate this space.
Hello everybody, my name is William Bramer and I am the director of Art Fusion Galleries here in Oakland Park. We are celebrating Summer Hues, and Summer Hues is a great show not only in the gallery, but we have also Art Walk, and the Art Walk was very well attended. We have some great artists out there. They've sold a lot of paintings. Right behind me we have Jordan Donnelly, which is a new artist that we're representing, and I'm very, very proud of him. His work is photography on plexi. It's architectural work. He does several different types of works, but he's really amazing. And then we have, of course, Lenore Robbins, which was one of our first artists over 15 years ago. She's back with us, and I'm very happy that she's here as well. One of the things that I'm working on is the murals, and a mural program for the businesses to be able to have murals on their businesses and have the city and Broward's arts culture help with grants for that. We're also restoring the Oakland Park mural and also creating some great art out there. We have, of course, our VIP membership group, and they get first picks to see what's going on in the Art Fusion Gallery world. Everybody's always been welcome here at Art Fusion Galleries, but now we're in a city also that embraces and respects everyone as well. So like the arts from all over the world, we invite you to come in, and no matter who you are or where you're from, you're always going to be welcome here at Art Fusion Galleries.